I got these really fast in the mail. Microwave safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, fridge and freezer safe. There's the dimensions. I got 5 of them. It is BPA free. Lids are leak proof and they were packed really well. There was cardboard on top and you can tell they're brand new because they've got all this seal on them. And there's more seal. This is supposed to be removable so you can clean it well. Yes, this is removable so you can clean this ring really well if you need to. And it looks like it just pushes back in there easily. I did see someone say plastic was getting caught. Yeah. You might have to make sure you get all the plastic off after you get them. Plastic might be caught under here when you open them. So this snaps off. If you need to, you can snap these off and put them back on, but make sure when you open them, you get all the plastic off. These are the 36 ounce, I believe, containers, and this is the size of it. You can see it's gonna hold a little over 4 cups of food. Hold a little over 4 cups of food. There's a nice ridge here, which is good. Some of them don't have a good ridge and the lids will come off. The lids won't stay snapped on, but this has a nice lip around it. So I feel confident that it's gonna say stay on there. Let's do a leak test. These are not 100% leak proof. If I squeeze on it, it will leak. These are oven proof, microwave proof, not the lids obviously, but you can put them in the oven, freezer, microwave. I like that I got 5 all of the same size because honestly this is about the size I normally need anyways, and then all of them will use the same lids. They're really pretty. I like that the rubber seal comes out so you can wash it separately, soak it if it gets dirty, and it goes back in, like I said, really easily. If there's anything on the seal, it might leak. I had just a little piece of saran wrap plastic on the seal and that did make it leak a little bit. But if there's nothing on that seal, it does not leak. This seems sturdy. It doesn't seem like the lid's gonna break. Clips seem good. If something does break that I use, I do a video update. So if this video is old and I haven't replaced the video, that means that they're holding up well. This helps you know if it's something you want to purchase.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.